Welcome. Today, we'll show you how to remove a reaction on a message on Telegram with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, launch the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to open the app. Next, navigate to the chat where you had reacted to a message. Scroll through your chats and select the specific chat where you want to remove the reaction. Once you're in the chat, find the message that contains your reaction. Look for the message that displays the reaction emoji that you added. To remove the reaction, simply tap once on the reaction emoji next to the message. Tapping on the emoji will trigger the option to remove the reaction from the message. By following these steps, you can easily remove a reaction on a message on Telegram using your device. Manage your reactions and chats effectively and ensure smooth communication with your contacts. Removing reactions on Telegram messages has been simplified with the updated features that allow you to conveniently undo your reactions. Thank you for watching and enjoy customizing your reactions on Telegram messages effortlessly.